With the next topic, that is complex PLDs. In short, we call them as Cpld's. So these are the further evolution of PLDs. PLD is something but programmable logic devices. So it consists of a multiple PLs are connected together to form an complex PLDs. So as shown in this, so it consists of interconnection network and array logic, microcells, input output block, and the external pins here. So here this is a one slice of PAL. So remaining are shown in the form of rectangular box here. Now this is an interconnection network, which is also known as programmable networking wire, which is connected to the AND array. So the AND array programmable logic, which includes the inputs and the p terms to perform a specific logic function. Then it is connected to the macro cells. So macro cells are nothing but, so which consists of OR gate, multiplexers, and the flip-flops. So which allows us to decide whether the output is combinational or sequential. Sequential is nothing but here registered output. Then it is connected to the input output block. So input output block is connected with the external pins, which is driven by the macro cell to decide which kind of output is given for the external pins. The sum part of the IO block and the macro cell is given as a feedback to the interconnection programming networking wire. So like this, complex PLDs are used to implement simple as well as complex designs. But when the designers want to implement a larger design, then it has shown some problems. So that can be eliminated using a next type of logical circuit, which is known as field programmable gate arrays. So field programmable gate arrays, in short we call them as FPGAs. So these are used to implement the larger designs. Here, field programmable gate arrays can be used to implement with a simple gates like AND or NOT, or it can be used to implement a multiple and divider circuits also. So here what it consists of? It consists of logical blocks. LB represents logical blocks, IO represents input output blocks, which are provided with the external pins. Then an embedded RAMs, which are used as a memory component which are used to store the intermediate results or the inputs and the output values. And the dotted lines which are used here, they are nothing but programmable interconnecting wires. So here field programmable gate arrays are used to implement a simple or any other larger Boolean expressions, okay, and it can be implemented in the FPGA. So FPGAs gives us a further solutions and uses thousands or millions of equivalent gates. Okay, so here in the next video we will discuss the internal circuit of the logical blocks and the input output blocks, and we will study how logical blocks and the input output blocks works together to implement any logical function or the Boolean function, which is simpler as well as a complex design. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this, you can text me a message. Thank you.